Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we have a 2007 Suzuki GSX-R1000. This motorcycle's got 18,886 miles on it. Has gone through our 24-point inspection. We're going to take a quick walk around it today so you can get a chance to see it and hear it run. This motorcycle is extremely clean. Has one little scratch on it where you can see the paint has been touched up. Very clean tank, very clean plastic, along with frame sliders. A tinted aftermarket windshield. The tire on the front, almost new. Here's another frame slider on this side. This bike also has an aftermarket pipe on it. Along with an almost new rear tire. Start it up here. There you can see the mileage, 18,856. This bike also comes with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, along with a lifetime discount on parts and labor. Thank you for visiting simplystreetbikes.com.